Ang laki ng ano. Meryl, look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Sakit. Look at that. Para siyang Paris Retiro. Pero oh my gosh, ang laki niyan. Wow. Kasi yun yung prices niya. Kinakausap ko. We're in Paris Point. Yes, we're in Paris Point and we're trying out their pares. And masarap. Cream cheese wonton.
Basta swap din tayo. Ang weird naman nung daan. Imagine mo yung isang